Hello everyone, this is Rashi. In the last video I posted, we learned and practiced Ashtanga Suryanamaskar A. Today, we shall be moving ahead with Ashtanga Suryanamaskar B, and the counts would still be in Sanskrit in this one too. Ashtanga Suryanamaskar B, Samasthiti, Ekam, breathe in, Utkatasana, Dve, breathe out, Uttanasana, Trini, breathe in, Ardhuttanasana, Chatvari, push the floor, jump back, Chaturangandasana, breathe out. Pancha, breathe in, Urdhvamukh Shvanasana, Shat, breathe out, Adhomukh Shvanasana, lift the tail high, engage the thigh muscles, relax the shoulders. Sapta, bring the right leg forward, Veerbhadrasana, breathe in. Ashtau, breathe out, Chaturangandasana. Nava, breathe in, Urdhvamukh Shvanasana. Dasha, breathe out, Adhomukh Shvanasana. Ekadasha, breathe in, left leg forward, turn the right leg inwards, Veerbhadrasana. Dwadasha, breathe out, Chaturangandasana. Trayodasha, breathe in, Urdhvamukh Shvanasana. Chaturdasha, breathe out, Adhomukh Shvanasana. Take 5 deep breaths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, breathe in, bend your knees and jump ahead, breathe in, Ardhuttanasana. Shodasha, breathe out, Uttanasana. Saptadasha, breathe in, Utkatasana. Breathe out, Samasthiti. This is the original way of doing Ashtanga Suryanamaskar B. Now we shall be trying the modified variation of Ashtanga Suryanamaskar B if you find jumping back into Chaturanga difficult. Samasthiti. Breathe in, Utkatasana. Breathe out, Uttanasana. Breathe in, Ardhuttanasana. This is Trini. Chatvari. If you cannot jump back, you can always step back. Chaturanga. You can bend your knees, take your chest and chin. Breathe in, stretch up, Pancha. Shat, breathe out. Sapta, take the right leg forward, Veerbhadrasana. Ashtau. Again, you can go down on your knees, chest and chin. Stretch up. Nava, Dasha, breathe out. Ekadasha, left leg forward, Virbhadrasana. Dwadasha, Chaturanga Dandasana. You can always take your toes, knees, chest and chin. Trayodasha, upward dog. Chaturdasha, down dog. Panchadasha, breathe in. Again, if you cannot jump ahead, you can always step ahead. Panchadasha, Ardhuttanasana. Shodasha, Uttanasana. Saptadasha, if you cannot sit down and come up in Utkatasana, you can always just come up. Tuck your tailbone, look up and relax. Samasthiti. So you can always modify Surya Namaskar A and Surya Namaskar B according to your own strength, physical conditions. It is always good to modify your practice if you have certain physical conditions, like if you've got bad shoulders or if you have less strength on your shoulders, if you think that you cannot jump back into Chaturanga, it's always good to listen to your body. So it is not important that you start jumping in Chaturanga right away. You can start practicing it with the modified variation, and eventually when you think that your body gets ready and you're becoming stronger with the practice, then you can try jumping into Chaturanga. So it's always advisable to try the modified variation if you think that you're not strong enough to jump into Chaturanga.